Well, it's been a fairly quiet day out there today. 1 or 2 showers in the mix, but a lot of dry and fairly fine weather as well. However, through the next few days, it does look a little more changeable once again. Further showers, perhaps some longer spells of rain, brisk winds at times, and something quite chilly heading our way on Friday. But this is how things are looking at the moment. Dry and fairly clear through this evening and winds lighter for a time. But as the night wears on, the winds will start to pick up. The cloud will start to thicken from the west and we'll see 1 or 2 spots of rain on the scene by dawn. Having said all of that, it should be frost-free and temperatures for most of us hovering between 5 and 7 degrees Celsius. Tomorrow morning then, a fairly cloudy start for some. Make the most of any early brightness because as the day wears on, cloud will continue to thicken from the west. It will bring more in the way of outbreaks of rain as the day wears on, and the winds will continue to strengthen. And all of that will make it feel somewhat fresher than the values might otherwise suggest. And then later on tomorrow, so tomorrow evening overnight into Friday, we see a weather front sweeping its way through. It will be quite squally on that weather front, so some really gusty winds, potential for some really heavy rain for a short time. But hopefully by Friday morning, the worst of the rain will have cleared, leaving us with a fair bit of cloud and a scattering of showers. As far as the weekend goes, currently, Saturday looking like the better of the 2 days. Well, today hasn't been too bad at all out there. Some lovely sunshine, quite a blustery wind though, and a few showers in the mix here and there as well. And over the next few days, it will be fairly changeable. So further showers, perhaps some longer spells of rain, quite breezy at times too. And on Friday in particular, a fairly chilly feel to things coming our way. But for now, things look pretty quiet through this evening and much of the night it stays dry. Some clear spells initially and light winds at first, but as the night wears on, we'll see a bit more cloud drifting our way and the winds will gradually start to pick up again as well. With all of that in mind though, it does keep the temperatures very much the right side of freezing, so it should be a frost-free night all round. And then tomorrow morning, well, quite a breezy start. The winds continuing to strengthen as we head into the afternoon, and with that, an increase in that cloud as well as the arrival of some outbreaks of rain. Temperature-wise, similar to today, highs 11, 12, perhaps 13 Celsius, but not feeling especially pleasant with the cloud, the rain and that increasing wind. But it's through tomorrow evening and overnight into Friday where we'll see a weather front coming our way, that bringing a rather squally band of rain, so some heavy downpours for a time, some really gusty winds. Hopefully fairly short-lived though, and by the time we get to Friday morning, for most of us, it's looking a little quieter. Friday itself, a mixture of sunny spells and showers, and for the weekend, I think Saturday currently looking like the better of the days.